Yo, what's up everyone? It's the Bud and we're back with another video. Today, we're diving deep into iPhone productivity. No, not another calendar video. We're talking about those features that can transform the way you work and live. Reclaim your time, crush your to-do list, and maybe squeeze in an extra cat video or two. If you're ready to unlock your iPhone's full potential, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's kick things off with focus mode, because distractions are the ultimate productivity killers. Create profiles like work, personal, or sleep, and customize which apps and people can get through. With focus mode, silence those tempting distractions and stay in the zone. Next up, we've got Siri Shortcuts. And trust me, this is way more powerful than just asking Siri about the weather. Want to start your morning routine with a single phrase. Hey Siri, good morning. Could trigger your favorite playlist. Send a good morning text and open your to-do list. Create shortcuts for work tasks and meetings. Siri becomes your productivity ninja, handling repetitive tasks so you don't have to. Let's talk about the app library. It's the Marie Kondo of your iPhone, bringing order to chaos. It organizes your apps by category, so you find what you need fast. No more wasted time, no more app anxiety, just pure efficiency. Chapter 4. Widgets. Information at your fingertips. Let's talk about widgets. Those handy little information squares on your home screen. Think of them as productivity dashboards, giving you instant access to what you need. Need to check your calendar? Boom, there's a widget for that. Track your fitness goals? You guessed it, widget. It's all about having the information you need right there. Chapter 5. Notes app, your digital brain supercharged. We've all had those aha moments where a brilliant idea strikes, only to have it vanish because we didn't write it down. It's not just for ideas. We're talking lists, links, photos, even scanned documents, all organized and easily searchable. Consider this your digital brain, supercharged and ready to tackle anything. Chapter 6. Do not disturb. Your shield against the notification onslaught. We've all been there. You're focused on a task and a notification pops up, shattering your concentration. Whether you're in a meeting, working, or need peace, do not disturb silences distractions. It's like hitting the mute button on the world, giving you the space to get things done. Chapter 7. Screen time. Facing your digital habits and conquering them. We all have that one app or 5 that we maybe spend too much time on. Screen time holds up a mirror to our digital habits. It tracks your app usage, giving a detailed breakdown. Set daily limits, schedule downtime, and manage your family's screen time. Chapter 8. Voice memos. Capture inspiration anytime, anywhere. Ever have a brilliant idea hit you at the most inconvenient time? With voice memos, you'll never miss those moments of inspiration again. Just whip out your phone, hit record, and capture those thoughts. It's like having a portable recording studio in your pocket. Chapter 9. Files App, your secret weapon for organization domination. This is where your digital life comes together, with all your documents, photos, and files in harmony, cloud storage integration, powerful search, and built-in annotation tools. Access files anywhere, share with colleagues, and organize with folders and tags. Outro. Unleash your iPhone's productivity power. 9 iPhone features to level up your productivity. Reclaim your time, minimize distractions, and get more done. See you in the next video.